Friends, let's know about Intellicadms AI tool. You can use in CAD in various industries like architecture, construction, and automobile, and also download app. So this platform you can see that, and here you can see explore more in multiple industry. You can know about the Intellicad in about section, and also store you can download multiple tool software from this platform. You can see that, and if you have any query you can check from this forum and use it further and download from here after when you create an account or register an account. And after that, in dashboard, and after that for downloading download page, and a store to get a software and tools. Now you understood how to use Intellicad AI, and also you can explore social media account for more information about this AI tool.